Currently, there are 3 major methods for cancer treatment. Surgery, physically removing cancer. Chemotherapy, using medicines or drugs. Finally, radiation therapy, using X-ray and gamma rays. These treatment methods have a large impact on the human body and often cause major side effects. However, without cutting, without side effects, and little disruption of everyday life, there is an ideal treatment. It's proton therapy. What are the details about proton therapy? The proton is a nucleus located in the center of hydrogen atoms. Inside a device called a synchrotron. These protons are accelerated to a maximum 60% the speed of light. Accelerated protons are sent to a large device called a rotating gantry. This rotates 360 degrees around the patient and can deliver the proton beams from any direction. The proton beams attack the DNA of cancer cells. The damaged cancer cells lose the ability to grow and eventually die. This is what proton therapy is all about. How is proton therapy better than other treatments? Proton therapy is a type of radiation therapy. However, it has qualities unlike any other radiation therapy. Conventional radiation therapy uses X-rays and gamma rays. These rays maximize their energy at the surface of the skin and are less powerful by the time they reach the cancer cells inside the body. They also continue through the body after reaching the cancer cells. As a result, healthy cells are damaged as well as cancer cells. Proton beams are very unique in comparison. Proton beams reach cancer cells without impacting healthy cells. They also maximize their energy at their target. This enables the proton beam to do maximum damage to the cancer cells. Targeted cancer cells are accurately treated, and damage to surrounding healthy cells and organs is minimized. This is the largest difference between conventional radiation therapy and proton therapy. With minimal physical side effects, the patient can continue to lead a normal life. Treatment is by regular appointments on an outpatient basis with minimal disruption to the patient's life. This is the most advanced cancer treatment available. Proton therapy is available at one of the world's most unique medical resort facilities. Medipolis Ibusuki. Located in Kagoshima Prefecture, southern Japan. 1 hour and 40-minute flight from Haneda Airport, Tokyo. And approximately 2-hour drive from Kagoshima Airport. Ibusuki is an area of mild weather and great natural beauty. and an area known for its natural hot springs. Medipolis is on a 1.3 square mile mountaintop overlooking Kinko Bay and the town of Ibuski. Medipolis Proton Therapy and Research Center began proton therapy in January 2011. Many staff members speak English. Boards and signs are also in multiple languages, so communication will not be a problem during treatment. What is the treatment process? Anyone who wishes to be treated needs to contact a hospital that is associated with Medipolis. Please visit our website for a list of associated clinics and hospitals, or contact us directly. If your cancer is treatable by proton beam, the doctors or representatives will explain the treatment options. If you decide to proceed with proton therapy, the associated hospital will coordinate with the medical agency and prepare a plan for the beginning of the treatment. The coordinating agency will help with obtaining a medical visa for Japan and a certificate of sponsorship. Explain treatment and travel expenses and develop an ideal schedule, which will include any travel companions. They will also arrange transportation to and from the airport to Medipolis, Ibuski. During your treatment, you can stay at our resort hotel or at nearby associated hotels in Ibuski. At your appointment time, please come to the Medipolis Treatment Center reception area. The staff will first explain the treatment method and schedule. Because detailed information is necessary for proton therapy, an immobilization device will be created for each patient, so that there will be no movement during treatment. Patients will then go through CT and MRI scans wearing this device. These scans will determine the exact location, size, and behavior of the cancerous tumor. In the treatment planning session, the most efficient and appropriate course of treatment will be discussed to prevent damage to the healthy cells. Nurses, doctors, radiologists, dietitians, and all other relevant staff will share information on each patient to determine the course of treatment, including after-treatment care.
The proton beams will only be directed at the cancer cells, so patients do not need to worry about pain or side effects. And the period of treatment will be clearly defined. Patients can plan their treatment around work schedules or even their recreational plans.
be a rehearsal before the actual treatment to test the immobilization device and the proton beam settings. Pre-treatment will take approximately 1 week. Then the proton therapy will begin. A medical checkup to confirm the patient's status will take place before the daily treatment. If there are no problems, treatment will continue as planned. Daily treatment will take approximately 20 to 30 minutes each day. However, the actual exposure to the proton beam is about 1 to 5 minutes at the longest. Proton beams can be delivered from any angle. The patient lies down in a comfortable position. The patient will feel no heat or pain during treatment. There will be 1 treatment per day. After the daily treatment is complete, there are no restrictions on what you can do. The hotel at Medipolis is a unique facility. There are 5 hot springs on the property. The largest Japanese-type hot pool is divided into men's and women's sections and overlooks the ocean and the town of Ibusuki. There are also private open-air hot tubs. A ceramic spa and bedrock spas. Sports facilities such as tennis courts, an indoor pool and gym are also available. Relaxing in the hot pools is excellent after exercise. We also offer pottery and Tai Chi classes. Golf, fishing, and sports facilities are available nearby. The front desk has information about local tourist attractions, sports activities, and shopping areas. The restaurant's food is prepared with fresh local ingredients, as well as vegetables grown on our organic farm. Please inform the coordinating agency about your room and meal preferences. With proton therapy, there are no side effects. You feel healthy and have plenty of free time for play or to explore Japan. Medipolis Ibusuki is an environment that will make treatment much less stressful. Treatment will be completed according to an established schedule. The attending doctor will explain your progress and follow-up care. Your contract with the medical coordinating agency will include post-treatment follow-up and support. Now, let us explain what stage of cancer can be treated by proton beam. At what stage is treatment available? Proton therapy is effective for cancer in stages 1 and 2 that have not metastasized. However, even with metastasis, proton beams may be used to prevent further growth. Which cancers can be treated?
Treatment is possible for primary lesions or pulmonary metastasis. as long as the cancer is in a single location.
There are also cancers for which proton therapy will not be possible. Proton beams need to be aimed at a fixed target, so they cannot be used to treat stomach or intestinal cancer. For the same reason, blood cancer cannot be treated. How long does treatment take? The period of treatment will be determined by the type of cancer and surrounding conditions. Approximately 2 weeks for lung and liver cancer, 8 weeks for prostate cancer.
Our biggest goal is to minimize the impact on the patients, to let them live as normal a life as possible during treatment. Shortening the length of treatment would increase the impact on surrounding organs. So, we tend to take a little longer to minimize the impact on the body.
What are the side effects?
There will be few side effects compared to common radiation treatment, such as X-rays and gamma rays, because proton beams do not travel further than the target cells.
How much will treatment cost? Costs are approximately $50,000 US. This cost is for treatment only. For details, please contact the coordinating agency. Medipolis Medical Research Institute has clinical studies in process to apply proton beams to breast cancer. Dr. Hishikawa, pioneer in Japanese proton and heavy ion therapy and director of Medipolis, shares his perspective on breast cancer treatment.
Breast cancer cells that are 2 centimeters in size or smaller can be treated. But even after surgery or proton therapy, there is a 20 to 30% chance of metastasis. We are currently studying ways of using the body's immune system to prevent this metastasis.
When treatment becomes possible, it will serve as a promising breakthrough for female patients.
The natural beauty of Ibusuki cannot be overemphasized. It is well known for its healing hot springs and mild subtropical climate. During the time of treatment, you can enjoy the hot springs, explore nature, and visit the many historical sites. In the spring, you can hear many birds, and during summer, watch the fireflies. The restaurant serves gourmet meals. A big part of recovery is a restful environment and a positive attitude. Medipolis is a very special, one-of-a-kind place.
Medipolis is a ray of light from southern Japan to the world. Unprecedented anywhere else. A resort-like medical facility. With the ideal cancer treatment, located in a region of great natural beauty, a place for healing the mind and the body.